triangle. Isn't this a right triangle?
Well, it's just a big right triangle.
Okay, I hope no one had trouble with that step, because if you did, we're in big trouble. Okay, so now, what do we do next?
Yeah, you're right.
Fold again.
We do, but not yet.
Oh.
Open it. Very important. You open it first, turn it, and then diaper fold again. The other 2 points in half. Open it first.
Open it.
Don't try to think you're
Oh, gotcha.
keeping it folded in half.
Yeah, I never. Oh man.
You want your ankles inside. Oh, valley fold.
Try to catch up. We're about 12 steps ahead of you. No, I mean 2 steps. So, okay, open it. And this part is critical. Pay close attention. When you open it, you have to, it is a must, you have to flip it over. Okay, now that you have flipped it over, fold it in half, edge to edge. This is our hot dog fold.
Oh, hot dog.
Sorry.
Why is this tripping me up? I'm an adult. Other way. Yeah, it's the point side out, right? Yeah. And then you fold inside or outside? Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay. You guys good over here?
Yeah. I lost direction for a minute, but they helped me.
Well, he's going to be in trouble. Fold the, yeah.
Other way. So the pieces go in.
Yeah, you too. Yep. How do you think we're sitting next to each other, trying to cheat off of each other? Yes. Okay, good. And then what do we do next?
Open and fold it.
Open it and fold the other 2 edges together. Very good. You guys catch on.
That's what we're in college for.
We open.
For this. And for this. It's my. Okay. Okay. So after we fold it this way, you're saying either way? Yeah.
Oops, I ripped it. Does it matter that it ripped?
Yeah, I think it's going to kind of
Oh, this one.
Oh, thank you. Is this pink okay, Eleanor?
Oh, did it fortune teller?
Yes! This is exactly what it reminded me of.
Is that what we're doing?
Getting in trouble.
Just waiting.
Okay, here's that one down.
Who's going to win $1 million?
Okay. You want to film this?
Okay.
Okay, is anyone else having trouble? You guys are good? Everyone's good?
Yep.
Okay, so now, how many of you guys already know the secret ancient technique? Raise your hands. 2 people. Only 2 people. So, okay. Should we share the secret ancient technique with all these people? The more people that know, the less. Oh, go ahead and use this one then. It's already on. It's okay to share it with more people? Okay, he guesses that. Okay, it's all right. You guys can learn the secret ancient technique. So this is a secret ancient technique invented 3 years ago by Yami Yamauchi. It is highly secretive, so please don't share it outside. Oh, he's dropping. Don't share it outside the gardens. The more people that know it, the less secretive it'll be. I pulled a hamstring muscle the last time, so forgive me while I stretch this time. Okay. All right. Watch very carefully.
Right there?
Are you watching?
Yeah.
Should we give a drum roll?
Sure. One, secret ancient technique. 2, invented by Yami Yamauchi 1 year ago.
Wow. Amazing.
That's amazing.
What's so funny? Okay, let me see.
I love it. I love it. Okay, hold on. Wait. Let me get my stretch on. Hold on. Hold up.
You missed it earlier. We did a full body origami stretch. And some people did not follow on very well. You just earned your black belt in origami. You're my new assistant.
Thank you. I greatly appreciate it.
Everyone has successfully applied the secret ancient technique. Make the taco, and you're going to push the 4 edges together, and then lay it flat. You should end up with what's called a water bomb base.
Oh, lay it flat.
Lay it flat. Okay, here. Okay, everyone stare at him. Can I borrow your head? Headbutt. There you go. Okay. Everyone is like this, right?
Oh, the heat's getting too.
Yeah? Inside out over there, secret ancient technique. Apply it. Go, 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 go. Yep. Very good. Okay. Like a mountain, you have 2 travelers here. They are going to journey to the top of the mountain. They meet in the center, okay?
Oh, that looks like the paper I had at school. Like
Oh, yeah, it could be. It could be.
Yeah.
But it's not. Very good.
It looks like the summer.
So basically, it's just.
Oh, looks like that.
I already did it.
Because it's, like, in a sense, it's like, even though you repeat the same thing, adding meanings that don't exist.
Okay, flip it over and do the back side. That side already moved on.
It just less stuff in the dust. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Let us catch up.
Yesterday, we ended up having like a smart side. that was yesterday. I'm just saying that was yesterday. Maybe today this side is the smart side. Or
We're the fun side.
I coach gymnastics, and sometimes I'll tell the girls to line up, smartest to dumbest, or sometimes smartest to most beautiful. And it's funny to see which one thinks they want to be on the smart side and which one wants to line up on the beautiful side. All right. So we're all like this, correct? Mm-hmm. Okay. My tips are at the top. If you look at my paper, I don't know about your paper. Okay, you're going to take the front 2 layers and fold them together, and the back 2 layers and fold them together. So take the front 2 layers and fold them together.
So basically, take what you just folded and put that in.
Okay, now
Take the people and
you should see a smooth side. Okay, let's see yours. Nope. So let's take these 2 layers together.
I don't know how yours sounds like a. Oh, I don't. This is just the right now. I'm like.
Okay, so you have a smooth surface. It's very important that these tips remain at the top. Okay, because they're hidden, you could easily end up holding it upside down. So these tips remain at the top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the left and right points, and I'm going to fold it over so that they cross the center line, and it should end up wide at the bottom and pointy at the top. So you need to know which is the top and which is the bottom.
So like
Okay,
where you fold it and then you close it and then you turn it.
Yeah, but angle it so that it's point. Nope, not at the top. It's pointing at the top. Yeah, wider at the bottom.
Oh, thank you.
The 2 tips overlap. They cross the center line and they overlap. They overlap.
Okay, so make them overlap.
Gotcha.
Needs to overlap.
Because so basically what we did for this one is the smaller version. But put them over each other.
Do you need help doing that? Do you want me to help you?
Like that much? Or slightly less?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
So confident.
That's yeah. That one's interesting. That one's okay.
Like, do I tuck it in?
That one's good. That one's good.
So like cross one leg over the other leg. Okay.
You're
You got the more confident good. Let me yeah, I know, right?
okay. Flip it over and repeat on the back side. Flip it over. Same thing. Oh, that's actually not a Kleenex? Oh, it's not? No. It's a...
Yeah, because then we have...
This one's a napkin, and that's the only one.